music plays a really big role in my life. So I like really fast, heavy music. I think that cooking with music is really relaxing. I think that the music that you play in your restaurant needs to be tied up with the food that you cook. Music expresses the way that you feel, and cooking does the same thing, I think. It's a more family-oriented restaurant, so definitely on a Sunday morning, punk rock is not going to be the best thing that you can listen to while having brunch with the kids. But one thing that I do is I like to play a lot of music when we're prepping, and we play not only punk rock, we do old school hip hop, reggae, stuff like that. So definitely music is always involved in the restaurant one way or the other. We're doing one of our signature dishes, the smashed cucumber salad. It's a really nice and fresh salad. Then we're doing Mr. Li's gyaozi, which is one of the signature dumplings in the restaurant. We're doing shumai, which is a really common dim sum offering. But to me, a lot of people stress about the folding and the technique behind making a really pretty looking dumpling. For me, it's the fillings. For me, it's what's inside, right? The right texture, the right amount of salt, vinegar, sweetness, aromatics, but most importantly, making sure that the filling is not wet, because at the end of the day, when you cook it, it's going to fall apart. I think that we're a Chinese-inspired restaurant. We use a lot of Japanese ingredients. I like Vietnamese food a lot. I like Thai food a lot. So on the dim sum part and all the classics, we do a lot of Chinese. I worked in a few Japanese restaurants, so there's definitely a hardcore Japanese vibe to the menu. And also, whatever we can get from the farms. Like last week, we had beautiful tomatoes from Sunfresh Farms, and we had some stracciatella cheese hanging in the cooler. And we did, a Chinese-inspired burrata, like the most commonly Italian, appetizer that you can find anywhere else, especially in Miami, and we just did it our own way. We're not shy on doing Italian flavored food with Chinese techniques, or Chinese techniques using Italian products and stuff like that. So I think that I don't want to label what we do in the restaurant so much as just straight up 100% Chinese, but it's more Chinese inspired. And I read a lot, I study a lot. I worked in China for some time, so definitely all those inspirations come from there, and we just start building up dishes, and the menu changes a lot.